In a world that constantly bombards us with messages of not enough, of limitations and scarcity, it's easy to feel trapped. Trapped in a job that doesn't fulfill us, trapped in relationships that drain us, trapped in a cycle of never quite reaching our full potential. We're told to settle, to be realistic, to accept our lot in life. But what if there's another way? What if there's a path that leads not to limitations, but to boundless possibilities? The truth is, we've been conditioned to believe in scarcity. From the moment we're born, we're taught that resources are limited, that competition is fierce, and that we have to fight for our share of the pie. We're told that we're not good enough, not smart enough, not worthy enough to have the life we truly desire. This scarcity mindset seeps into every aspect of our lives, shaping our thoughts, our beliefs, and our actions. It keeps us playing small, afraid to take risks, and settling for less than we deserve. But what if we could break free from this limiting mindset? What if we could tap into a source of infinite abundance, a wellspring of creativity and possibility that lies dormant within each of us? This is the essence of the totality of possibilities. It's a radical shift in perspective, a recognition that we are not defined by our circumstances or our past, but by our unlimited potential. The scarcity mindset tells us that there's not enough to go around, that we have to hoard what we have and compete with others for our share. It creates a sense of fear, anxiety, and lack. It leads to jealousy, resentment, and a constant feeling of never having enough. This mindset is not only detrimental to our personal well-being, but also to our relationships and to society as a whole. It breeds conflict, division, and a sense of separation. The totality of possibilities mindset, on the other hand, is based on the understanding that we are all connected, that we are part of a greater whole. It recognizes that there is an abundance of everything we need in the universe, and that we can tap into this abundance by shifting our thoughts and beliefs. It's about recognizing that we are not separate from the source of all creation, but rather an expression of it. This shift in mindset is not about denying the challenges and difficulties of life. It's about approaching those challenges with a different perspective, a perspective that sees opportunity where others see obstacles. It's about trusting that the universe has our back, that we are supported and guided on our journey. It's about believing that we have the power to create the life we desire, not through force or struggle, but through alignment with our true purpose. The totality of possibilities mindset is not a magic wand that will instantly solve all our problems. It's a journey of self-discovery, a process of unlearning old patterns of thought and behavior and accepting new ones. And it takes time, effort, and commitment, but the rewards are immeasurable. When we shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance, we open ourselves up to a world of infinite possibilities. We begin to see opportunities where we once saw limitations. We start to attract the people, resources, and circumstances that support our dreams and goals. We begin to experience a sense of peace, joy, and fulfillment that comes from living in alignment with our true selves. But how does the mind, this intangible, invisible force, have such a profound impact on our tangible reality? The answer lies in the fascinating field of neuroscience. Our brains are incredibly adaptable, constantly rewiring themselves based on our thoughts, experiences, and beliefs. This phenomenon is known as neuroplasticity. Essentially, our brains are like a garden. The thoughts we plant are the seeds, and the more we water and nurture those seeds, the more they grow and flourish. If we constantly plant seeds of negativity, doubt, and fear, our garden will become overgrown with weeds, choking out any possibility of growth and abundance. But if we choose to plant seeds of positivity, gratitude, and hope, our garden will blossom with vibrant flowers and lush greenery, attracting all the beauty and abundance that life has to offer. The beliefs we hold about ourselves and the world around us are not fixed. They are shaped by our experiences, our upbringing, and the messages we receive from society. If we've been told that we're not good enough or that we don't deserve success, those beliefs will become ingrained in our subconscious mind, influence feelings, and actions. But just as we can learn to walk, talk, and ride a bike, we can also learn to change our beliefs. We can choose to challenge the negative stories we've been telling ourselves and replace them with empowering ones. The power of belief is evident in countless inspiring stories of individuals who have overcome seemingly insurmountable odds, from athletes who shatter world records to entrepreneurs who build empires from scratch. These individuals have one thing in common: an unwavering belief in their own abilities and the possibilities that lie ahead. They didn't let their circumstances define them. Instead, they chose to define their circumstances through the power of their minds. Reframing our thoughts is not about denying reality or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about choosing to focus on the positive aspects of our lives, even in the midst of challenges. And it's about recognizing that every experience, whether positive or negative, holds a valuable lesson. When we can reframe our thoughts in this way, we shift our energy from victimhood to empowerment. We become active participants in our own lives rather than passive recipients of whatever fate throws our way. There are many simple yet powerful techniques for reframing our thoughts. One such technique is to ask ourselves empowering questions. For example, instead of asking, "Why does this always happen to me?" we can ask, "What can I learn from this situation?" Or, "How can I turn this challenge into an opportunity?" These questions shift our focus from the problem to the solution, from helplessness to resourcefulness. Another technique is to practice gratitude. When we take the time to appreciate the good things in our lives, no matter how small, we create a positive feedback loop in our brains. This strengthens the neural pathways associated with positive emotions, making it easier to see the good in everything. We can start a gratitude journal where we write down 3 things we're grateful for each day. Or we can simply take a few minutes each morning to reflect on the blessings in our lives. Affirmations are another powerful tool for reframing our thoughts. An affirmation is a positive statement that we repeat to ourselves either silently or aloud. It's a way of consciously choosing the thoughts we want to think rather than allowing our minds to be bombarded with negative self-talk. When we repeat affirmations with conviction and emotion, we begin to rewire our brains, creating new neural pathways that support our desired reality. It's important to choose affirmations that resonate with us, that feel authentic and true. We can create our own affirmations, or we can use ones that we find inspiring. For example, if we're struggling with self-doubt, we might repeat the affirmation, "I am worthy," or "I am enough." If we're looking to attract more abundance into our lives, we might say, "I am open to receiving all the good that the universe has to offer," or "I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity." The key is to repeat our affirmations regularly with feeling and conviction. We can say them in the morning when we wake up, in the evening before we go to sleep, or any time throughout the day when we need a boost of positivity. The more we repeat our affirmations, the more we reinforce the positive beliefs we're trying to cultivate. Over time, these affirmations become ingrained in our subconscious mind, influencing our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Reframing our thoughts and using affirmations are not about denying the challenges and difficulties of life. They are about choosing to approach those challenges with a positive mindset, a mindset that believes in our ability to overcome any obstacle and create the life we desire. By consciously choosing our thoughts and beliefs, we take back control of our minds and our lives. We open ourselves up to the totality of possibilities. Visualization is a powerful technique that complements affirmations, taking the power step further. It involves creating a vivid mental picture of what you want to achieve, as if it's already happening. This could be anything from landing your dream job to living in your ideal home to achieving a personal goal. When you visualize, you engage your senses, imagining what it would look like, feel like, sound like, and even smell like to have your desire fulfilled. This practice isn't just wishful thinking, it's a way to program your subconscious mind for success. By repeatedly visualizing your desired outcome, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with that goal, making it more likely to manifest in your reality. It's like creating a blueprint for your future, a roadmap that guides your thoughts, actions, and decisions. When you combine visualization with emotion, you supercharge its effectiveness. Imagine the joy, gratitude, and excitement you would feel if your dream were already a reality. Allow those emotions to wash over you as you visualize. This not only makes the visualization more vivid and compelling, but it also helps you align your emotions with your goals. When your heart and mind are working together, you create a powerful synergy that propels you towards your desires. Manifesting your desires isn't just about thinking positive thoughts and visualizing your goals. It's also about taking inspired action. When you're in alignment with your purpose, you'll find that opportunities seem to appear out of nowhere. Doors open, people show up, and resources become available. It's as if the universe is conspiring to help you succeed. And this doesn't mean you have to force things or try to control every outcome. It's about being open to possibilities, following your intuition, and taking action steps that feel aligned with your heart and your goals. It's about trusting that the universe has your back and that you're being guided towards your highest good. The journey to manifesting your dreams is not always a straight line. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments of doubt. But if you stay committed to your vision and trust in the process, you'll eventually reach your destination. And along the way, you'll discover a newfound sense of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. While our minds are undeniably powerful, they are not the only factor in manifesting our desires. Our emotions play a crucial role as well. They are the energy that fuels our thoughts and actions. When our emotions are in alignment with our goals, we create a powerful momentum that propels us forward. But when our emotions are out of alignment, they can create resistance and sabotage our efforts. For example, if we desire financial abundance but harbor feelings of unworthiness or scarcity, we're sending mixed signals to the universe. Our minds may be focused on abundance, but our emotions are clinging to lack. This creates an internal conflict that blocks the flow of abundance into our lives. It's important to be aware of our emotions and how they are influencing our thoughts and actions. If we're feeling anxious, stressed, or overwhelmed, it's difficult to focus on our goals and take inspired action. That's why it's so important to cultivate a sense of inner peace and well-being. This can be achieved through practices such as meditation, yoga, mindfulness, or spending time in nature. When we speak of living in alignment, we refer to the harmony between our inner and outer worlds. It's about ensuring that our thoughts, feelings, actions, and choices are all in sync with our deepest values and aspirations. This alignment is not about perfection, it's about progress. It's about making conscious choices that move us closer to our goals, even if it's just one small step at a time. Living in alignment means being mindful of how we spend our time and energy. Are we investing our resources in activities that uplift and inspire us? Are we surrounding ourselves with people who support our dreams and believe in our potential? Are we making choices that honor our values and priorities? When we live in alignment, we create a life that feels authentic and fulfilling. We experience a sense of flow and ease, as if we're being carried by a current of positive energy. One way to live in alignment is to create a vision board or a written statement of our goals and aspirations. This helps us clarify what we truly want and serves as a reminder of our purpose. We can place this vision board where we'll see it every day, allowing it to inspire and motivate us. Another way to live in alignment is to practice self-care. When we take care of our physical, emotional, and spiritual needs, we create a solid foundation for growth and transformation. This can involve eating nourishing foods, getting regular exercise, spending time in nature, connecting with loved ones, and engaging in activities that bring us joy. Living in alignment also means being willing to let go of what no longer serves us. This might include toxic relationships, negative thought patterns, or unhealthy habits. And it can be difficult to let go of things that we've become attached to, but it's necessary for growth and transformation. When we release what no longer serves us, we create space for new possibilities to enter our lives. It's also important to remember that living in alignment is an ongoing process. It's not something we achieve once and for all. There will be times when we fall out of alignment, when we make choices that don't serve our highest good. This is normal and natural. The key is to be kind to ourselves, learn from our mistakes, and get back on track. The journey to living in alignment is not always easy, but it's incredibly rewarding. When we live in alignment with our true selves, we experience a sense of peace, joy, and fulfillment that cannot be found anywhere else. We become magnets for abundance, attracting the people, resources, and opportunities that support our dreams and goals. We tap into our unlimited potential and create a life that is truly extraordinary. While we conclude this exploration into the totality of possibilities, we invite you to consider the profound impact this shift in mindset can have on your life. The journey may not always be easy, but it is undoubtedly rewarding. Remember, you are not alone on this path. By sharing this message with others, you are not only amplifying the potential for positive change in your own life, but also contributing to a global shift towards abundance, joy, and fulfillment. If this exploration has resonated with you, we encourage you to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more content that empowers you to live a life of limitless possibilities.